Hello, welcome to Poor Man Luxury. My name is Rob. Today we are unboxing the Coach Finn Crossbody bag with pockets in the Love Signature canvas and the matching ID card wallet. I will speed up the unboxing and show you the details after. Whoa, check it out. At least they put in a...
Undo that.
Okay, how we doing? Actually, there's more. We're ripping out the guts. Okay, so as you can tell, this is the Finn crossbody bag with the pockets that are in the front and the signature Love canvas. And so you have the right side pocket, it has the smooth leather on it, so it's really nice. And here's the left pocket. And what's really interesting is that this has, the zip pockets just like the other one. This one does the same. You remember the front pocket, but what's different is that the other bag had all canvas. This is actually kind of more of a smooth leather, okay? But what's cool is that it has that same lining, so you're not gonna be worried about doing something on the inside. Okay, and so here is the main compartment. So you'll have the zip side pocket right here, and then you'll have another pocket down here, and then yeah, so it's like right in here, and so there's really not much of a difference. But what's really nice is, for some reason, this style canvas seems more sturdy than the other one. So I think there's something different in the way that the last one was made, but this feels more sturdy. The cool thing is that you'll still get a nice strap, adjustable, but they'll still have the non-detachable. But that's not a bad thing. But this looks like it's been more, that was made better. You know what I mean? And so, I'm going to leave you with a. Oh, and then here. Sorry about that. It's so. And they really know how to. Okay, that needs to be sped up. So you have your normal wallet canvas, and it's going to have the, all the cards that you can put in and whatnot. And but what's really interesting though is just that this thing has, again, I have another style something like this, but the but the leather seems more sturdy than and the the other style leather that they had. Sorry, I'm just not feeling well. Anyways, but really cool. I like the pocket back here, so that's really cool. That's a little different. And so so check them out. These are really good. very happy with these. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with a view of the last 6 bags. If you are interested, the link will be in the description and the details. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.